Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, right click on the start icon and select run. Now we need to type here WT and we need to press Ctrl Shift and enter together. So it will pop up a new window, so select S and it will open the Windows PowerShell with administrative privileges. So it's very easy to open Windows PowerShell with administrative privileges. So on the screen we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Firstly, type in dism space dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash scan health and hit enter. So this command will take a few seconds or 1 to 2 minutes to complete the process. We need to wait for it and it will take some time, depends upon your computer configuration, how fast it is and how slow it is. So we need to wait for it and simply we will move to the next command. Once done, type in dism space dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and hit enter. This one also gonna take a time to complete the process, so we need to wait for it, complete this up to the 100% and simply we will move to the last command. Once done, type cls and hit enter, then type in dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space start component cleanup and hit enter. And once done, type exit. My bad, just we need to execute the command again. So the operation completed successfully and simply type exit and restart our system. That's it guys, our problem is solved and you're good to go. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively.